Do you ever feel tired, bloated, or just heavy inside? Like your body's begging for a reset? Well, it's time to detox, naturally. Let's talk about the best 5 detox tips for a cleaner, healthier you. First, hydrate like your life depends on it. Because it actually does. Your kidneys and liver rely on water to flush out toxins. Studies show that drinking enough water can boost your metabolism by up to 30% and improve skin clarity within just 2 weeks. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses a day, and for an extra cleanse, add a few slices of lemon or cucumber. Second, eat the rainbow. No, not candy. We're talking colorful fruits and vegetables. Leafy greens, berries, and citrus fruits are packed with antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals. Spinach, kale, and broccoli support liver detox, while fruits like oranges and blueberries help repair cells. Remember, the more colors on your plate, the more nutrients your body absorbs. Third, sweat it out. Exercise isn't just for muscles, it's a detox tool. When you sweat, your body releases toxins through your skin. Even 30 minutes of brisk walking or yoga can improve blood circulation and help your lymphatic system remove waste efficiently. Plus, your mood gets a major upgrade, thanks to those endorphins. Fourth, cut down on processed foods and sugar. Your liver works overtime to process artificial ingredients and refined sugar. Excess sugar can increase inflammation and slow your natural detox process. Try replacing sugary snacks with nuts, fruits, or yogurt. Within a week, you'll notice more energy and less bloating, guaranteed. And finally, prioritize sleep. While you rest, your brain and organs go into repair mode. Studies show that getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep boosts your body's ability to remove waste from the brain by up to 60%. Think of sleep as your body's nightly detox cycle. So, to recap, drink water, eat whole foods, move your body, ditch the junk, and get your sleep. Your body doesn't need extreme juice cleanses. It just needs care, consistency, and a little love.